Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Mozilla Firefox in your computer without opening any other browser in your computer. How you can do it, just simply come over into a start icon, click on the start icon, simply search for PowerShell. After finding the PowerShell, you can simply run it as administrator if you simply open it. And then here you need to copy this command and copy this and paste it over here and click enter. Don't worry, I will going to give you this command into video description. From there you can simply copy it and paste it into your PowerShell, and it will going to writing your web request, so it will take couple of seconds. For that you need to just keep patience. After complete the first request, then there will be shows up the second request, and for that we're going to copy the second prompt. We can simply copy it and going to paste it over here like this and simply click enter. You can see the Firefox is extracting and the setup wizard is pops up. Simply click next, click standard and click next and install. And you can see the Mozilla Firefox setup is complete. And now if I just simply click on finish, you can see the Mozilla Firefox web browser is rightly open in our computer. You can see. So this is how we can simply do that. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.